The RIDGWAY Adjustable Carpenter Square completely reinvents how you measure and mark your woodworking projects. This innovative layout tool features a unique adjustable blade that locks securely at any angle you need. It replaces multiple traditional squares by combining a tri-square, miter square, and bevel into one compact unit. The precision-machined edges ensure your layout lines are dead-on accurate every single time. Its durable construction handles the toughest workshop conditions without losing its reliable calibration. Whether you are cutting complex joinery or marking simple crosscuts, this tool speeds up your workflow. You will never want to go back to using standard fixed angle squares after trying this. Holding your workpiece securely is paramount for safe and precise woodworking, and the Virutex duo-sided vacuum pad takes work holding to a whole new level. Forget clamps and awkward setups. This innovative pad uses powerful vacuum suction on both sides. One side adheres firmly to your workbench, while the other securely grips your workpiece, leaving both hands free to guide your tools. Imagine routing intricate patterns or sanding delicate pieces without the fear of movement. This isn't just convenient. It drastically improves accuracy and finish quality. It's incredibly easy to use and reposition, making it perfect for everything from small parts to larger panels. Elevate your work-holding game and experience the freedom of stable, secure, and clamp-free woodworking. Perfectly aligned shelf pins and hinges can be the make-or-break detail in cabinetry and furniture. The RUITOOL shelf pin jig and hinge jig combo takes the guesswork and frustration out of these crucial tasks. This ingenious tool provides precise, repeatable drilling for shelf pins, ensuring your shelves are always level and perfectly spaced. Flip it over, and you have a hinge jig that guarantees perfectly aligned hinges every single time, eliminating wonky doors and drawers. No more measuring and marking for each hole. Simply set your spacing, align the jig, and drill. Whether you're building bookcases or kitchen cabinets, this jig will save you time, eliminate errors, and deliver professional-looking results. Get ready for flawless shelves and hinges with minimal effort. Imagine having 7 saws in one compact, powerful package. That's the ROTORAZER PLATINUM 3000. This versatile tool isn't just a saw. It's a whole cutting system designed to handle everything from plunge cuts to intricate detail work. Equipped with multiple blades, it effortlessly slices through wood, tile, metal, and more, making it the ultimate problem solver for any workshop. Need to make clean, precise cuts for built-ins? Want to tackle complex shapes for decorative projects? The ROTORAZER's got you covered. Its plunge cut capability is a game-changer for controlled openings, and its compact size means you can maneuver it into tight spots. Stop juggling multiple saws and simplify your cutting process with this all-in-one wonder. Staircases are notoriously tricky to measure and cut accurately, but the SUNLFPROD Stair Tread Template tool is here to banish those frustrations. This ingenious tool allows you to create perfectly fitting stair treads and risers with ease and precision. Simply adjust the template to match the unique angles and dimensions of each step. Then transfer that precise template to your workpiece for flawless cuts every time. No more guesswork, no more errors, just perfectly fitting stair components that elevate the look and safety of your staircase. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this template will save you hours of headache and ensure a professional finish on every staircase project. Say goodbye to stair building stress and hello to perfect treads and risers. For those times when you need ultra-precise measurements and layout in tight spaces, the Woodpeckers Micro-Square is the answer. This miniature marvel delivers incredible accuracy in a compact size, perfect for detail work, setting up machinery, and working on smaller components. Despite its size, it's built with Woodpecker's signature precision and quality, ensuring reliable 90-degree references wherever you need them. Use it for setting blade angles on your saw, marking precise mortise locations, or any task demanding pinpoint accuracy in confined areas. Don't let its size fool you. The Micro-Square is a powerhouse of precision in the palm of your hand. Say goodbye to guesswork and protractors. The Bosch Angle Measurer. GAM 220 brings digital precision to angle measurement in your workshop. This tool instantly and accurately measures angles, displaying them clearly on a digital screen, eliminating parallax errors and ensuring dead-on accuracy. Need to miter trim at a precise angle? Want to check the bevel on your saw blade? The Bosch Angle Measurer delivers fast, reliable readings for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Its robust construction and easy-to-read display make it a shop-ready tool that will significantly improve your accuracy and efficiency when working with angles. Embrace digital precision and take the guesswork out of angle measurement. Transform your handheld router into a versatile table-mounted powerhouse with this router table insert plate. This aluminum plate provides a perfectly flat, stable, and precision-engineered mounting surface for your router, unlocking a whole new dimension of routing possibilities. Table-mounted routing offers increased control, accuracy, and safety, especially for tasks like edge profiling, jointing, and molding. The plate includes pre-drilled holes for common routers, and its precise construction ensures your router sites perfectly flush with the table surface. Upgrade your routing capabilities and tackle larger, more complex projects with the stability and precision of a router table, all thanks to this essential insert plate. Add a touch of refinement to your woodworking with the hand planer for chamfering. This specialized hand plane is designed to create smooth, consistent bevels and chamfers along edges and corners. Chamfering softens edges for comfort, adds visual appeal, and prevents splintering, elevating the finish of your projects. This compact plane is easy to control and delivers precise, clean chamfers every time. From softening sharp corners on furniture to adding decorative bevels to boxes and trim, this chamfer plane allows you to master the art of the beveled edge and add a professional touch to your work. Refine your edges and elevate your finish with this essential hand plane. Even in the best workshops, minor imperfections can occur. That's where BONCART wood filler steps in to save the day, offering an invisible repair solution for any woodworking project. This paintable and stainable wood filler seamlessly blends with wood, allowing you to conceal nail holes, cracks, and minor blemishes for a flawless final finish. It's easy to apply, sands smoothly, and accepts stains and paints beautifully, making repairs truly disappear. Don't let minor imperfections detract from your hard work. Achieve a perfectly smooth, flawless finish every time with BONCART wood filler, your invisible repair expert. Spline joints are renowned for their incredible strength and clean aesthetics, but they can be tricky to execute without precision. The TOOLCOOL Spline Jig eliminates the hassle and unlocks the power of this fantastic joinery method. This jig guides your router to create perfectly centered slots for splines in both mating pieces, ensuring a tight, rock-solid joint every time. Splines dramatically increase the glue surface area, resulting in joints far stronger than biscuits or dowels alone. From strengthening miters to adding reinforcement to frame and panel construction, this jig opens up a world of robust joinery possibilities. Take your joinery to the next level and build projects that are not only beautiful but built to last generations with the TOOLCOOL Spline Jig. Looking for speed and simplicity in your shelf pin drilling? The Milescraft Shelf Jig is your answer. This compact jig prioritizes efficiency and ease of use, making it ideal for quickly creating adjustable shelving systems. Its hardened steel drill bushings ensure accurate and clean holes every time, while its compact size makes it incredibly maneuverable for larger projects. Simply align the jig along your desired shelf location and drill your perfectly spaced holes. The jig's design minimizes setup time and maximizes drilling speed, perfect for batch production or larger shelving units. If you value speed and straightforward operation without sacrificing accuracy, the Milescraft Shelf Jig is a must-have for your jig collection. Fast, accurate, and built to last. Shelving just got a whole lot easier. Accuracy starts with precise layout, and the Woodpeckers folding saddle squares are designed to deliver just that with added convenience. These beautifully crafted squares sit perfectly on the edge of your workpiece, providing instant 90-degree reference lines for marking and layout. The folding design makes them incredibly compact and pocket-friendly, so you can have precision layout at your fingertips wherever you go in the shop. Made with Woodpecker's renowned quality, these squares are built for durability and accuracy. From marking cut lines to checking for square, these squares are an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit, offering accuracy and portability in one sleek package. Why buy dowels when you can make your own, perfectly sized and from the exact wood species you desire? The Baseman Double Cutting Dowel Maker Jig empowers you to do just that with incredible ease. This jig features dual cutting blocks, allowing you to create dowels in two sizes simultaneously, increasing efficiency and versatility. Simply insert a square blank of wood, apply pressure, and out pops a perfectly round dowel, ready for your joinery needs. Making custom dowels not only saves you money but also allows for seamless color and grain matching in your projects, elevating the overall aesthetic. Take control of your dowel supply and add a touch of bespoke craftsmanship to your woodworking with this ingenious jig. Perfect dowels made by you, exactly when you need them. Sometimes the simplest tools are the most effective. These 90-degree corner clamps are a prime example, offering a straightforward solution for holding corners perfectly square during glue-ups and assembly. These clamps apply even pressure to both sides of a 90-degree corner, ensuring tight joints and perfectly square assemblies every time. They are incredibly easy to use and adjust, making them ideal for frames, boxes, and cabinet construction. Stop struggling with awkward clamping setups and simplify your corner glue-ups with these essential and affordable corner clamps. Perfect corners, effortlessly achieved. Every woodworking shop needs a reliable carpenter square, and the SUNLFPROD Carpenter Square is a solid foundation for accurate layout and measurement. This robust square provides a true 90-degree reference for marking cut lines, checking for squareness, and ensuring your projects are built with precision. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily shop use, and its clear markings are easy to read for accurate measurements. From framing and joinery to general layout tasks, the Carpenter Square is an indispensable tool for any woodworking project. Build a strong foundation for accuracy in your woodworking with this essential square. For projects with curves and profiles, the Virutex Profile Scraper is your secret weapon for achieving glass-smooth finishes. This handheld scraper features interchangeable blades in various shapes, allowing you to effectively smooth and refine contoured surfaces that sanding alone can't reach effectively. From smoothing curved chair rails to refining intricate moldings, this scraper conforms to complex shapes and delivers a flawless surface ready for finishing. It's comfortable to use and provides excellent control, allowing you to achieve professional-level finishes on even the most challenging curved workpieces. Conquer curves and unlock flawless finishes with the Virutex Profile Scraper. Expand your joinery horizons with the OSchool Dowel Maker and Tenon Cutter Set, a dynamic duo that offers unparalleled versatility. Not only can you craft perfectly sized dowels like with the Baseman jig, but this set also equips you to create precise tenons, the male counterpart in mortise and tenon joinery. This opens up a vast landscape of traditional and robust woodworking techniques. Imagine crafting custom legs for tables, sturdy chair rails, or creating frame and panel doors with rock-solid tenon joinery. Made from high-quality materials, these cutters deliver clean, accurate results in a range of wood species. From classic joinery to creative design, the OSchool set empowers you to build with strength and precision. The Rockler Deluxe Spline Jig makes cutting beautiful, reinforcing splines in your miter joints incredibly simple and safe. This versatile jig securely cradles your pre-glued picture frames and boxes as you guide them over your table saw blade. The adjustable fences easily accommodate a wide variety of project sizes and angles with simple tool-free adjustments. It rides smoothly in your table saw's miter slot, ensuring perfectly straight tracking for flawless spline curves. The robust clamping system keeps your fingers far away from the spinning blade while securing your workpiece. You can also use it effectively on your router table to create decorative dovetail or butterfly splines. Adding this jig to your shop instantly elevates the strength and visual appeal of your custom boxes and frames. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.